the video where I am going to cut the cover and put it down. So it's just a schnitzer, and oh yes, these. So this is a 1 meter wide tarp or weed barrier cloth, and I decided to put 7, so I put every 7th marking because it's inside, so these tubs will be sitting on it, so there's little chance that the wind is going to destroy it. But you can see here in the side I put it in every 3rd because it's this side, so the side or this side. And I really have to pull this because that's the way it should be, nice and tight. Ugh. Well, it won't be as good as if I would do it in summertime when it's dry and on a flat surface, but there is seldom an optimal time for doing things in agriculture. It's funny because it's true. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 7th. I have to come back in summer when it's drier and make it better. And when I bought this 1 meter wide, I was wondering if I ever going to use it. Well, there we go, I'm using it. well, at least you see that in agriculture and in horticulture, most things are not about how beautiful this plant is, how nice work, in the cold, in the wet, in the mud. Okay. Well, another thing is that you have to, normally, when you put down a weed barrier cloth, you have to put gravel below it so the water escapes nicely and the soil is not coming through. See here, the soil came through, so the weeds are going to germinate there. So I have to be alert next season to apply some herbicides on top of the weed barrier cloth so weeds are not going to take over, because I'm not a great fan of weeds. And that's this understatement of the century. Okay, so see here, they germinate. Oh, I hate them. I'm going to put out a sign, no weeds please. Of course that's just a joke. I'm going to put out a different sign. When you make the folding or the connection between the weed barrier cloths, you have to use at least three markings overlap, because otherwise the weeds are going to come through. And also when there's soil movement, it's still going to keep it covered. So that's why I'm using this 1 meter wide. And when I'm finished, I have to get rid of all these soils on top. Well, almost finished. Okay, now fold it and and because this is the side, I have to put the one in the middle. And then I can go inside the warm room, which is my favorite place in winter. Or I have to put back these tubs. Oh, never mind. I have to put back the tubs. So, that would be all for today. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.